thing you need is the slippers, the flip-flop slippers. And the good part is that these slippers, the original one, we normally buy it here from Ghana. The slippers, the original one, we normally buy it from Ghana. Even the flower we're using on, we normally get it here from Ghana. So
we're using Ghana products. So clap for yourself now.
So you need your slippers, you need your trimmings, you need your flower. How much if you want flower? Bring the flower. Then this is the flower. This is supposed to make like 4 pairs. That is 2 slippers. We're supposed to do that. So I think let's do it like this. We'll measure. We'll measure 60.
What did she say you measure? Can you write it down?
You have to be very careful with the trimming so that you won't waste it. Because if you are not careful with it, you will lose it all. This is very fast to make and very unique.
Did you see what she's trying to do? She's trying to fix everything in properly. So
with no gap. Make sure there is no gap. What I'm trying to do is that I don't want to, because I don't want to waste the trimming. I wanted to be sure, because we have this trimming, we have sizes, we have the one that is very round. I wanted to be sure that this 60 will go round before we cut the rest. So when you get here, come to this side. The flower will cover that side. You can see my wrapping that is very neat. Okay. So should I go 55. Yeah, where is the second leg? Second leg.
Maganda yung gala kung po.
No, I'm not there for
I continue from anywhere she girl child there, I empower them. Can you can nigga if she can even if you offend that day you are it's one never can be a woman no. Couldn't make more than now me feel I'm a more than now me feel I'm a when I can vision as I say I'm going to me now my training me I grow back how many be here come could I make point now make a point which can have me the wall bed down there one feel blind or blind na me feel go again now when you check go be war ni e ba twane ye match ma go ye tesa for buy a car wa twane ye then go ye match ma go dem me in fact if I got the first ye other match me go the dem o ba nye ma me fe baba or anything like it at the first it start to tell your the about training about faith so can be a gem go just 1 year so about get essential e can be more about to so na ka go work work so na I'm going to way any be but after so about round of what to of a grandeur confiamo you point now by a grandeur by a traditional counselor, Obafe coronation, Obafe football, Obafe boxing tournament level. Okay, what's the fair now? All round up coronation. We'll do a program now, actually, the end of September. Grandeba, okay. Box, Grandeba, one date. Boxing tentatively 3rd September. I thought I check it later. Not found a car check working for platforms, working for Facebook, or for internet. About going about advising about the programs, the dates now fixed. One day you should have put it down here back now. I can make one failing book cover and I don't know what one. I can call Sula, okay, basket, Bama, put more man on the tomorrow. Or me to one from Alake, a woman chair, Niji Tackie Teiko Tsuru, Niji in the more daily, but they are covered. She but if I will, it will be known if you're step by step. That means if apart from your foundation document, nature only be about faith, health, wellness, and sanitation. A program and only program, many rule me, I mean, not the wallet. What can you learn? You actually go a few health screening on a regular basis. Fair for the program, couldn't they for wellness, sanitation, and cleaning the environment. I've been away to a foundation can that be used if you want fish trust fund can that we can be a fan about a scholarship I've been away ICT training entrepreneurial development vice president for digitalization for one train I'm ICT skills, entrepreneurial skills, other soft skills. When I'm a foundation, if money about faith, we can be a fan, we can be a fan.
That tells you, I want my dress to be stolen. Now look at this. How do you design this?
Because the red is too, the color is so bright, so you should blend it with a color that will match maybe the purse or the shoe the person.
No, we don't really have to. I'm not gonna accept that. With what we have, because if we said we mix it, it's gonna be too colorful. It's gonna be true color. Now what we have now, we're just gonna use our plain stones. We can use the red stone because sometimes if you use the red or red, sometimes it's not gonna be bright. So we're going to use the glitter ones on this. But what I'm trying to ask is, how do we design this dress? design on the hand. So the design can only be, we can do it round. Right? So we are trying to be creative here. Right? So we can put a stone around the tip of the hand, which is the hand. You can just put a stone around it here on both hands. Right? So now, right? So I want us to reason together.
Okay, madam, you're welcome to Reeby TV.
Hi, how are you? Good evening.
I'm fine, thank you. Please, can you tell us your name?
Okay, my name is Pedro Naomi Gismond. I'm the founder of Hope for Sean Foundation, which is the organizer of this program. And we are registered in Canada and in Nigeria.
Okay, please, can you tell us a little bit about what you are doing here and the reason why you are doing it here in Accra, Gamashi, to be precise?
Okay, the more reason why we are here is to support its Royal Majesty vision and mission for the Girls Child Initiative. And we are grateful, we are honored that the Gamache give us this platform to work with our women and our youths. And what we are doing is we're celebrating Omowo Festival. And it's not only about Omowo Festival, not only the cultural part of it, we are still doing the social and the economic development part of Omowo Festival. So that's why we are supporting the Gamanche initiative of the Girls Child Mission and to support our women, because there's a say that said, when you empower a woman, you empower a whole nation. So that's what we are doing. So we're trying to train our women to do some skillables empowerment that they can do on their own, even in their bedroom. They can, start sellable skills and, empower themselves and start making money. So we're just trying to say, no to unemployment and to say end to poverty in the society.
Okay, I observed that you people are putting on a T-shirt that there is a sign in it, and it's have I think ACIS. Please,
okay,
can you explain
what this means is African Canada Investment Summit. Okay. This investment summit is gave back from Hope for Sean Foundation. Okay. Hope for Sean Foundation gave back to ACIS, and this is the foundation that you can see that His Royal Majesty just came back from Canada. Okay. So we are the one that organized the summit in Canada. That His Imperial Majesty was there to be part of our mission and to connect with the social and economic development of Canada and to bring it back to Accra, Ghana, for more investment opportunities.
Okay, so this is your first time doing it in Ghana here, or there has been a time that you have been here?
We've been to different countries in the world to do our empowerment program. Accra is the 14th country that we are doing this empowerment program. And our vision and mission, like I said earlier on, we have a passion for women empowerment. And that's why we're here. And we're happy, we're honored that the Gamanche himself give us this platform to be able to empower the women of GAC communities. And, it's a great honor.
Okay. So is this going to happen continuously, or this is going to be the first and the last time?
No. Like I said, the Gamanche himself We thank you, Father, for giving us this royal opportunity to be part of this vision and mission. And this is just the beginning, and we're going to be doing more of this kind of empowerment. And we have more trainings. You can see today we're teaching them how to make rhinestones on t-shirt, on their dresses, which is a sellable skills that you can do it on your own. You can see what I have on. Now these are the trendable stuff that people are wearing now. You don't even have to, when they have their machines and when they are more empowered, they can do this on their own and sell it and make money on their own. So because it's one of the high tech fashion that is in vogue right now. So now we have more skills that we're going to be teaching them. Now we're doing this because it's a Momo festival. Now we're going to come back. Hope for Sure Foundation has many children. We have our medical outreach program, which we does like every 2-3 times in a year, because we are passionate about our elders too. It's not only about the youth. We still do our medical outreach program that we come, we check their blood pressure, we check their blood pressure, the diabetics level, we give them drugs, and we have our optician on board as well, that we give them free reading glasses as well. So it's a passion for us. We serve humanity, and that's our mission. So we serve humanity, and that's what we're doing. So we're still going to be doing this often. This is the beginning in GA community, and we're going to be doing more often.
I know when you were coming, you had an expectation of the amount of people you wanted to get involved in this. The people you came and met today, are they the number you expected to have, or they are less, or what did you see, and were you okay with it? Were you impressed?
No, I am. What we have is a short notice.
Okay.
And so far, we're happy that we have good turn-ups. We have good number of people that really come out, to support our vision and mission. And you can see that they're doing very well, and we're well impressed. They make different t-shirts, they make your dress as well. Now they're doing the slippers, the embroidery slippers, and we still have more that we're still doing today. So this is just the beginning, and we're just grateful that we could be able to do this at the Stool House. It's a great privilege.
Okay, so we don't want to waste your time because we can see that you are very busy. Do you have any message for any girl child outside there? A lady who is just sitting at home doing nothing, saying economy and stuff. Do you have any message for them?
Yeah, I just want to encourage our women, our girl child, that as a woman, we don't have to lay back in anything. We are the mother of nation. When you're a woman, we multitask, and I just want them to know that they can do it. They have to take that idea of that, the government is not helping, or maybe our royal fathers are not there for them. We can use our hands to do things. I just want to encourage them that, they are valuable and they are honored. So our women should know that they can do things and change nation. They can change things around. So now we're trying to, teach ourselves some things that we can do together, even without not going to school. Within a day or two now, they can do it themselves, and they can start earning money. So our Girls Child mission is, the word is, don't say no to yourself, and don't be a quitter. Don't quit, and don't ever, look down on yourself. The motto word is, I can do it. No matter how you feel, no matter how the frustration may be, no matter how your situation, just say to yourself, I can do it, and they'll always be a winner. So girls child out there, please, brave up, and let's work together and change the nation, because we are the mother of nation.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.